Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, rear spoiler, roof rails, traction control, stability control, fog lights, rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.